Hi everyone, I'm Sherry from Sherry's Kitchen, from my kitchen to yours. And today we are going to talk about sprouting and microgreens, but we're going to take it one day at a time, okay? So the first thing we have to do is go through our seeds. Now, there are different sides. You have beans and grains and seeds. Now, the larger ones, like beans and grains, sometimes, and the larger seeds, like these sunflower seeds, you have to sort through them because in them you have broken pieces, you have ones that have come out of the shell, and if these are used in your process of growing, they will rot because they don't sprout. And so they'll cause the rest of your seeds or your whole environment to turn bad. So, I'm going to show you, first of all, my two favorite things to sprout in jars. And this one here is fenugreek. I store my fenugreek in a container like this. And as you can see, these seeds are very clean. You don't have to sort through them. Then the other one I do is the alfalfa seeds. And again, they're very clean. You don't have to sort through them. But like your peas and beans and stuff like that, you get a lot of the cracked stuff. Okay, so then I take and I put about 1/4 cup in each one of these jars and fill it with this much water or more and let them soak overnight. So my seeds for sprouting in the jar are already soaking. Now I'm going to show you how I do the microgreens. We are going to be doing the sunflower microgreens, and if you notice here, they are in a flat tray. I find that when I put them in the jar, they kind of float up to the top. But when I use this flat tray, they all lay in one layer and they're able to soak a lot better. And so before I did this, I sorted them and made sure there was no broken pieces. Now you're not going to be 100%, but at least be 95%, that you get most of the broken pieces out. So this is the screen layer. This is where I will be putting the soil at once these have completely soaked. And this is where the water goes on the bottom. Now this particular contraption can be used for hydroponic growing or soil growing. I like to do the soil growing when it comes to my sunflower sprouts. So here today is just the beginning. So I want you to take note, give it a try, take the information that you have to have clean seeds when you sprout, and take it from there. Any questions? Give me a call. You'll be on YouTube, and please subscribe and write any questions that you may have. And I will do my best to get back to you. Okay? So this is day 1, soaking. Next, we're going to show you how we plant and how I drain my seeds so they can grow in the jars. So you have a good day. And this again is Sherry from Sherry's Kitchen. Bye-bye.